Lush greenery, cultivated landscape, an abundance of greens enveloping the area in a vibrant embrace. Let's dig into the world where education blooms and health flourishes. This is the SUGBUSOG sa Eskwelahan of Calape National High School at its finest. Situated in Daanbantayan, Cebu, the northernmost tip town of elongated Cebu province, Calape NHS stands under the current leadership of teacher-in-charge, Mrs. Neizl P. Garcesa, supported by an array of dedicated individuals from the teaching and non-teaching staff to students, parents, LGU, and other stakeholders of the academy. With a sea of green under the open sky painting the lift-wing plane with vibrant hues, it is truly a sight to behold for anyone who crosses paths with St. H's ground. As the magical touch of the green thumb sparked, our journey began. As we sow the seeds for a brighter and healthier future, we turn abstract concepts into tangible experiences. From understanding photosynthesis to grasping the principles of environmental stewardship, students delve into hands-on learning that brings their textbooks to life, fostering a greener Cebu. With the rising cases of obesity and malnutrition, our garden provides a sustainable way to promote physical activity and healthy eating habits, ensuring that every child enjoys fresh and nutritious meals. As they say, a healthier diet leads to a brighter and more active future. SUBGUsog sa Eskwelahan is more than just a garden, it's a community. Working together fosters cooperation, responsibility, and a sense of belongingness. This initiative is not just about growing plants, it's about nurturing curiosity, fostering teamwork, and cultivating love for learning. Well-fed, safe, and healthy, that's our promise to every child. Together, let's plant the future and grow with us. Kay ang sugbuanong busog, luwas ug himsog, andam makikbisog.